Autel Robotics EVO2 Pro V3, professional-grade imaging and intelligent flight. The Autel Robotics EVO2 Pro V3 is a powerful and versatile drone designed for professional aerial photography and videography. Featuring a high-quality 1-inch CMOS sensor, advanced obstacle avoidance, and the Smart Controller SE, this drone delivers exceptional image quality and reliable performance for demanding applications. Key features: exceptional 6K imaging, equipped with Sony's new 20-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor. The EVO2 Pro V3 captures stunning 6K video with enhanced dynamic range, improved noise reduction, and higher frame rates. Adjustable aperture and high ISO. The lens's adjustable aperture range of f2.8 to f11 and a maximum ISO of 44,000 provide unparalleled creative control in various lighting conditions. Moonlight Algorithm 2.0. Capture clear and detailed footage in low-light environments with Autel's advanced Moonlight Algorithm 2.0. 4K HDR video. Experience lifelike visuals with 4K HDR video, bringing out hidden details in shadows and highlights. 6K hyperlapse photography. Create stunning time-lapse videos in 6K resolution, with the option to export directly as video or in JPEG RAW format for post-processing. 12-bit DNG photos. Capture up to 68.6 billion colors with 12-bit DNG photos, offering exceptional flexibility for post-production color grading. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. The drone's comprehensive obstacle avoidance system, utilizing front, rear, left, right, top, and bottom binocular vision sensors, detects potential hazards up to 30 meters away, ensuring safe and reliable flight. Autel Smart Controller SE. The included Smart Controller SE features a 6.4-inch OLED touchscreen, a powerful 8-core processor, and Skylink 2.0 transmission technology, providing a stable and long-range connection up to 15 kilometers. The controller's customized Android system and IP43 rating offer versatility and all-weather performance. Automatic return to home without GPS. The drone is able to return to home automatically even without a GPS signal at high altitudes. Long flight times. The drone is designed for long flight times, allowing for extended missions. Specifications: sensor, 1-inch CMOS, 20 megapixel. Video resolution, up to 6K. Aperture, f2.8 to f11. ISO, up to 44,000. Obstacle avoidance, 360 degrees binocular vision sensing. Controller, Autel Smart Controller SE with 6.4-inch OLED touchscreen. Transmission, Skylink 2.0, up to 15 km range. Photo format, 12-bit DNG. Package includes EVO2 Pro V3 aircraft, with battery, propellers, gimbal holder, 32GB SD card. Smart Controller SE, with control sticks. Spare battery. Spare propellers. Battery charger plus power cable. RC charger. RC charging cable. RC lanyard. Spare control sticks. Manuals, packing list, quick guide, disclaimer and safety, instructions, battery safety. Carry case. Overall, the Autel Robotics EVO2 Pro V3 is a top-tier drone designed for professionals who demand exceptional image quality, reliable performance, and advanced features. Its 6K camera, comprehensive obstacle avoidance, and Smart Controller SE make it a powerful tool for aerial photography, videography, and various industrial applications.